নমস্কার দর্শক বন্ধুরা, রেস স্পোর্টসের পর্দায় আপনাদের সবাইকে স্বাগত। এই মুহূর্তে আমি দাঁড়িয়ে আছি যুবভারতী প্রেস কনফারেন্স রুমের একদম বাইরে এবং কিছুক্ষণ আগেই কিন্তু প্রেস কনফারেন্স শেষ করলো সার্জিও লোবেরা এবং তার সাথে এসেছিলেন অভিষেক টেকচাম সিং। মোহনবাগানে কিন্তু আগামীকাল ম্যাচ রয়েছে পাঞ্জাবের বিরুদ্ধে এবং তার আগে কিন্তু মোহনবাগান ম্যাচগুলো পয়েন্ট হারিয়েছে। সেখান থেকে দেখতে গেলে মোহনবাগানের কিন্তু খুব গুরুত্বপূর্ণ ম্যাচ পাঞ্জাবের বিরুদ্ধে এবং তার আগে প্রেস কনফারেন্সে এসে স্বভাবতই যে প্রশ্নগুলো সম্মুখীন সার্জিও লোবেরাকে হতে হতো তার মধ্যে প্রধান প্রশ্ন ছিল যে মোহনবাগান কিন্তু সুযোগ তৈরি করছে কিন্তু গোল করতে পারছে না এবং সেইখানে দাঁড়িয়ে কি কোনো নতুন অ্যাটাকিং লাইন আপে কোনো নতুন প্লেয়ার আসা জরুরি। সেখানে দাঁড়িয়ে কিন্তু সার্জিও লোবেরা বারবার তিনি বলে গেলেন যে হ্যাঁ আমরা বেঙ্গালুরু ম্যাচে এবং জামশেদপুর ম্যাচটা যে কোনো সময় সেকেন্ড গোল পেতে পারতাম এবং আমরা কিল করতে পারতাম। গোলটা মিস করা হয় এবং তিনি বললেন যে গোলটা দিমি মিস করে, তবে আমরা যদি সেই গোলগুলো পেতাম তবে অবশ্যই আমরা ফুল পয়েন্ট পেতাম। তবে আমার কাছে যে অস্ত্র আছে, আমি যে সকল প্লেয়াররা আমি পেয়েছি তাদেরকে নিয়ে আমি খেলাবো এবং বারবার তিনি আগের মতনই এক কথা বললেন যে তিনি তার দর্শনেই থাকতে চান, তিনি তার দর্শন থেকে সরতে চান না এবং তার সাথে সাথে তিনি এক্সকিউজও দিতে চান না। তিনি যেভাবে যা টিম পেয়েছেন সেটা নিয়ে তিনি খেলাতে চান এবং সেভাবেই তিনি ভালো পয়েন্ট দিতে চান। সাহাল আব্দুল সামাদের প্রশ্নে কিন্তু তার সম্পূর্ণ সোজাসুজি উত্তর যে সাহাল আব্দুল সামাদ হলো একজন ব্রিলিয়ান্ট প্লেয়ার এবং তিনি যত বছর ভারতে কোচিং করেছেন তিনি চেয়েছেন যে সাহাল আব্দুল সামাদ তার দলে থাকুক, কিন্তু এই মুহূর্তে তার দলে থাকা সত্ত্বেও তিনি তাকে সুযোগ দিতে পারছেন না, কারণ দলে সুযোগ দেওয়ার মতন জায়গা নেই। তিনি কার জায়গায় সুযোগ দেবেন সাহাল আব্দুল সামাদকে সেইটা কিন্তু তাকে ভাবতে হচ্ছে। এই কারণের জন্য সাহাল আব্দুল সামাদ সুযোগ পাচ্ছে না। তবে যে সকল প্লেয়াররা সুযোগ পাচ্ছে তারা কিন্তু নিজেকে প্রুভ করছে এবং এখন আমি ওই ম্যাজিক পয়েন্ট সম্বন্ধে ভাবতে চাইছি না। আমার কাছে এখন একটাই লক্ষ্য, 3 পয়েন্ট।
For sure, no. If we are analyzing the game, if we have played the same game and we have scored the second goal when we had the opportunity, or we didn't concede in the last 30 seconds, this goal, everyone is going to speak about amazing game, very good result, very good plays. Also against BFC, no, we had the last chance. I think was given in front of the goalkeeper. If we score this goal, we are speaking about 2 amazing games in a difficult places, 6 points. But we need to know as small as it's possible to change everything. No? Even we need to keep in mind this is a short season. If we have 26 games, most probably at the end of the season, the best team will be the champion. No? But with less games, another teams also have the opportunity. No? Analyzing as a coach, we did a lot of things well, but we need to improve in some of them. We need to learn, we need to take lessons about what happened, and this kind of situations is not possible to happen again because the margin of mistake is very less, and tomorrow we have a very important game in front of our supporters. Now in this point we have advantage to start the season early. In the first 2 games maybe you can take advantage about this, but now in this moment all of the teams are working with enough time in terms of fitness conditions, in terms of tactical conditions, and even some of teams change the coach and sign suppliers. The numbers are there, you are right. No? The numbers is 2 points from 7. We have scored 1 goal in the last 3 games. And I don't want to try to find excuses. I have a very good squad, in my opinion, with all of the respect to the opponents. I have the best squad in the league. And as a coach, I need to take my responsibility. Obviously, with these numbers, we are not going to get the target. But I believe in my players. I trust in them. I told my players from the beginning, the team who manage difficult moments is the winning team. Is the team who can become champions. And answering the question as I thought before, analyzing as a coach, I think we did things well. Against Mumbai City at home, I don't think we deserve to win. But in the last 2 games away, my feeling as a coach is not possible to do the same analysis you are doing, no? Because I am coach. It's not about only numbers. It's about to feel. So we are generating chances. We had the opportunity to score the goal against BFC, clear chance. Against Jamshedpur, we can score the second goal and kill the game. But there are no excuses. The numbers are there. Maybe there are different points of view when we are analyzing this, but the next game it's very important for us, and the remaining games we need to be focused because we don't have much into mistakes if we want to get our target. I agree. Numbers are there, but about analyze, I am not agree because I think we create chances, very clear chances in these games. We are the second highest scorer team in the league. We have the highest scorer player in the league in this moment with another player. Then I don't think so. The problem is in the middle or not. When you are not generating chances, when you cannot kill the games in a specific moments, I think as a coach you need to have a big concern. But the team is generating chances. We can score the second goal against Chelsea for sure. We have options to score the second goal. Well, some of them very clear options. Against BFC, the same. I think against Mumbai City, as I told you before, we didn't deserve because we played more with the head than with the head. But the team is generating chances. The numbers also are there. We are the second highest scorer team, and we have the highest scorer player in our squad. The only thing we need to do is to win the next game. And for sure, the play we are, the style of play I am using in attacking football in the last games with only one goal is not enough. Finally, we are not the best team when we are winning, and we are not disaster team when we are losing. No? For us, the grid exists. For some people, only there are black or white in football, around the world, not here. And I can understand this. As a coach, you don't need to try to find excuses. You need to try to find solutions. If I am happy with these numbers, I am not happy with these numbers. I have the responsibility as a coach to improve these numbers. I need to work to improve these numbers. To keep calm, the best situation for me is I feel I have a team with enough experience to manage these kind of situations. When you are in Momombagan, you are under pressure in every game because you need to win always, and this is amazing. It's good for us, no? Because it means you are working in the biggest club. No? But my confidence is we have experimented players with enough experience to manage these kind of situations. They have winning mentality, they are calm, and they are excited about the next opportunity. The plan is to stop the opponent, but the most important thing is to put the focus on ourselves. How we can improve, how we can do better. Obviously, you need to take care and to keep in mind the small details about the opponent that give you more opportunities to win the games. We are going to play against a very good team. I love to see how they are playing football. I paid one ticket to watch to play Punjab. Is this kind of teams I will pay to watch to play them. I enjoy when I am watching their games, no? Because they are a brave team. They try to play attacking football. They try to no speculation, to keep the possession of the ball. Could be a good game for the opponents. No? A specific plan, not about individual situations or about the opponent. Our plan is to improve ourselves and obviously try to stop the opponent as a team, not with individualities. Is one of the points, maybe the point most important we need to improve, because as small times it's possible to change everything, and obviously in terms of set pieces we need to improve, because also we are having a lot of options, because 17 corners against Mumbai City, 8 corners in the last game. We need to score in this kind of situations. My assistant coach is a very good assistant coach, and I'm very happy with him. He's working on that. He's the boss in set pieces, but we are working together. We need to improve, and we don't need to find a solution. maybe Greg Castillo is a good player putting the balls. But I had amazing players doing this. There are not excuses because some people I am listening compare the season with this season. We cannot compare. We have a very good players, amazing players, strong players in delivery, strong players finishing these actions, and we need to take our responsibility as a staff, and we need to improve 100%. We need to improve. It's one of the most important things we need to improve. Al is an amazing player, but also we have an amazing players in the squad. They deserve to play more. They have only two problems. The rules, because finally only I can play with 11 players, and the second one, the players who are playing, because finally it's easy to tell this player need to play more minutes, but who player you replace for him? I would like to listen this also, no? Because sometimes maybe we are asking this player need to play more minutes, but in which position? In the position of this player, Atapa is doing well, Apuya is doing well. You understand, maybe attacking midfield, we are using for an attacking midfield in this position. Sometimes we need to analyze in the global perspective, and sometimes we have the answer if you in your question, because you know football. Sahar is an amazing player. I don't like to speak about individualities, but always I want to become coach of Sahar. In all of the teams, 7 years working in India. Now it's painful for me because I am the coach and I am not giving to him maybe the opportunities he deserves. No? But it's not easy. If you, before the game, feel empathy, put in my side as a coach, it's not easy when you need to put outside, not only Sahar. A lot of very good players I have in this squad, they deserve to play more minutes, and I want to be honest. All of them, they are maybe the best player in the opponent's squad, in the first 11. If they are playing in the first 11 in the opponent's squad, I am lucky because I have these players in my squad. But sometimes to manage the situation, trying to get the balance in terms when you have the ball, when you don't have the ball, and also when I can choose only 4 foreign players and 11 players, and I have 22 amazing players, it's not easy. Every opponent is different, and finally I need to make a plan what I think is the best to play against this opponent with our players, and don't change our style of play. We need to be loyal in our style of play, no? But it's not the same to play against for example, Messi as a striker, when they are using Pereira Diaz or Chante, no? It's a different profile of the player. And sometimes you need to think about this, how we can improve our style of play with this, with the decision of the first 11. Sometimes we can use 3 foreign players in attacking positions. Sometimes we need to use 2 central backs, foreign players in defensive positions. Depend on the game, depend on the situation, is different. No? I don't think there are a mathematic formula give to you we can discuss about this, no? But let's see tomorrow if I am going to use 2 foreign central players or 3 attacking foreign players.
জোহরদি প্রেস কনফারেন্স বক্স থেকে আমি অর্পণ দেবনাথ, প্রেস স্পোর্টস।